Hi, welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a campfire. Let's start off by drawing several lumpy ovals with a fire ring. One in the middle first, followed by two more behind on the left side, and two more behind on the right side. This is what keeps the fire safely contained and from spreading outward. Next, for the log, draw a tall semicircle here, followed by a line that goes to the left, curves up and notches down, continues to the left, and then turns and curves down like so. Next, draw a fire around the log with some swooping lines. To learn how to draw a fire, make sure to watch our other video linked in the description below. To add some more detail, draw some rough horizontal lines along the log for the bark texture. And lastly, draw some smaller semicircles with thin lines here for the tree rings. And now you've got a campfire!